Track in your junior one. Starting lineup is the 08, Owen Hamden, the 56 of Hunter Keaton, the 95, that's Chase Westerfeld out of Guilford, Indiana. And the green flag is out. We are racing. The blue card is out front. That's the 56, Hunter Keaton. Race order tonight, the go-karts go first, followed by the ATVs and then the motorcycles. We will do the kid classes before intermission or after intermission. I'll have to get official word on that here shortly. But our kid classes, the 50cc's, the little kid carts, and the little ATVs, I believe you guys will be first up, either before or after intermission. Intermission, we're going to bring back the kids' foot race. If you got a pair of shoes on, even if you don't have shoes on, you can play it. We're going to do it before intermission. So the kid classes officially now. We're going to do you guys before intermission. And then during intermission, we're going to have the kids' foot race. You actually don't have to have shoes on to participate. Looks like the white flag is out for your leader, the junior one. That's Owen Hamden. He is out front, followed by the 56 machine of Hunter Keaton and Chase Westerfeld. Race number 3 is winding down. Checker flags are out. This is the heat race. Main events will be up here after intermission. It's a hot one tonight. Track crew did a good job on this racetrack. No dust in the air. Junior 2 will be on racetrack next. Race number 4. Race number 4, you are on track. Race number 5, that's Clone Heavy, followed by Junior 3. And then stock up here in import.